The MONARCH Airway Clearance System is part of our airway clearance therapy family. World-class people to support your care, and an innovative pipeline of new products to enhance your respiratory health. We built the MONARCH system to provide patients with the ability to open new doors of mobility, to get their crucial therapy on the go. We invite you to enjoy the freedom of a mobile therapy. The MONARCH Airway Clearance System is designed to provide a clearance of secretions in the lungs. It does this by using 8 pulmonary oscillating discs, or pods, that provide a targeted kinetic energy to the lungs to help thin mucus and increase expiratory airflows. This helps to mobilize secretions from the small airways to the large airways, where they can be coughed out or suctioned. Your initial training on safe and effective use of the MONARCH system will be provided by a qualified trainer, using this training video as a reference guide. This training is needed before you use the product for the first time. The trainer will be there to help you set up the system, fit the garment to your body, and train you on its use. This video will provide an overview of the MONARCH Airway Clearance System, describe how it works, and review the instructions for use. Indications. The MONARCH Airway Clearance System is indicated for patients having difficulty with secretion clearance or the presence of atelectasis caused by mucus plugging. It is intended to be used by patients 15 years and older. Contraindications for the MONARCH Airway Clearance System include the following. MONARCH System Overview. The MONARCH system is a mobile therapeutic device developed to provide airway clearance of secretions in the lungs. Let's take a closer look at the system and the accessories. The MONARCH system offers many features, including a flexible garment with adjustments for a comfortable fit. There are 2 adjustment areas, one on the shoulder and one on the torso. The adjustments will ensure the device is fitted properly. There are colorful vest shell options to provide the garment with additional protection and style. The removable vest shell is also machine washable. The pendant is used to start therapy and program therapy. It is clipped to the garment for storage. The MONARCH garment can be run off of a battery, which is stored within the backpack, under the battery access panel. The battery has a light indicator to inform the user how much charge is left on the battery. To recharge the battery, ensure the battery is inserted under the battery access panel. Connect the power adapter and cord to the garment, and plug the power cord into an applicable power outlet. Included is a user manual for the complete instructions on how to use the MONARCH system. There is also a carry case for convenient transport. The system has 3 therapy settings: frequency, intensity, and duration. These settings are prescribed as a therapy protocol by your physician. The therapy protocol will be stored in either manual or therapy program mode. A cough pause can also be programmed as part of the therapy settings. In addition, you may have ordered the MONARCH system with the capability to securely transmit therapy data to the Health Portal. The Health Portal connects you with your healthcare team. When your team has accurate data about your treatment sessions, they're better able to understand your therapy protocol, adjust settings to your needs, and help you make informed decisions about your care plan. The MONARCH system is easy to store and carry using the carry case. The carry case features a telescoping handle to use as a roller bag, or straps to carry it as a backpack. How the MONARCH system works. During a treatment, the device will deliver therapy according to pre-programmed prescribed settings, or by manually controlling the settings as directed by your healthcare provider. While the device is operating, the chest wall is gently oscillated by the 8 pulmonary oscillating discs, or pods, within the garment. There are 4 pods located in the front and 4 located in the back to create a total of 8 pod zones for therapy. The 8 oscillating pods provide a targeted kinetic energy to the chest wall, oscillating the airways of the upper and lower lobes of the lungs to help thin the secretions and create airway oscillations to increase airflow. The oscillation created by the pods is what makes this a high-frequency chest wall oscillation, or HFCWO device. Now you'll see a brief animation to help describe how this works. Extra airflow created by this airway clearance therapy allows air to move beyond retained secretions. Oscillations and targeted kinetic energy help to increase expiratory airflows and thin and shear secretions from the walls of the airways. Research shows that high-frequency chest wall oscillation induces an airflow difference in the lungs that is important to airway clearance. Once secretions are mobilized from the small airways toward the large airways, you can clear the secretions by coughing or suctioning. During a MONARCH system therapy, you can pause the therapy to cough by pressing the pause option on the pendant or mobile app. Therapy is resumed by pressing resume on the pendant or mobile app. The pause can also be preset in your pre-programmed therapy at different points of time during the therapy and will automatically resume after the pause time is reached. Therapy can also be paused by pressing the pause button on the front of the garment. Therapy is resumed when the button is pressed again. Instructions for use. In this section of the video, we will review how the MONARCH system is initially set up. We will also review how to operate and program therapy sessions. Be sure to read and follow all instructions, safeguards, warnings, and precautions in the MONARCH System User Manual for setting up, programming, and cleaning the device. Failure to do so could result in injury or equipment damage. Before you use the system for the first time, the battery must be fully charged. Since the battery is shipped to you in a sleep mode, charging the battery will also activate it for use. To install the battery, lift the battery access panel. Align the battery so the battery latch is toward the top of the garment. Insert the bottom of the battery into the battery panel first. Slide the latch, then proceed to insert the top of the battery until the battery locks into place. Close the battery access panel. Now firmly plug the power adapter into the garment. Plug the power adapter into the power cord. Then plug the cord into a standard grounded power outlet. When using or storing the garment, power adapter, and power cord, be sure to keep them away from heated surfaces and sources. See the MONARCH System User Manual for other important instructions, safeguards, warnings, and precautions. Before using the system for the first time, you will need to adjust the fit of the garment using the assistance of a qualified trainer and the sizing guide in the MONARCH System User Manual. Note, it is recommended that a single layer of cotton clothing be worn beneath the garment for fitting and operation. Over time, you may need to make fitting adjustments. You can follow these simple steps to make adjustments. Contact customer service if you have any questions about fitting adjustments. To adjust the shoulder straps, open up the shoulder pad to free the shoulder strap for adjustment. Slide the top stretchable band over to the side of the shoulder strap. Open up the shoulder strap. Adjust the length according to the shoulder measurement and its corresponding hash line on the strap. Firmly press the shoulder strap together to secure it. Slide the top stretchable band back over the shoulder strap. Put the cushion of the shoulder pad under the shoulder straps. Wrap the shoulder pad panels around the shoulder straps. Firmly press the shoulder pad panels together to secure it. Repeat this for the other shoulder strap. To adjust the torso band, slide the clip into the slot according to the mid-chest measurement. Repeat this for the other torso band clip. To attach the vest shell to the garment, lay the device on a flat surface. Put the left vest shell onto the device. Slide the pendant dock through the slots on the vest shell. Snap the 3 snaps along the side of the vest shell closest to the zipper. Attach the vest shell lower straps around the cam buckle to secure the bottom of the shell. Attach the vest shell upper straps around the shoulder strap and secure it at the top. Repeat this for the right vest shell. Before putting on the garment, it is recommended that a single layer of cotton clothing be worn beneath it. Next, put on the garment, one shoulder at a time, like you are putting on a backpack. Fully zip the front zipper closure. Close the cam buckle on both sides of the garment. Note that the garment should fit snugly against the body, but not hinder normal breathing. If the garment is either too tight or too loose in the torso, consider making adjustments to the torso band sizing. Also note that the pods should rest comfortably on the upper chest and back once the device is zippered. If it does not, make adjustments to the shoulder strap length or to the torso band positioning, or both. Note that when taking off the garment, first open the cam buckles before unzipping it. Programming therapy. We will now review how to turn the system on and program therapy using the pendant. The pendant is the main operating control for the MONARCH system. You can use it to program therapy, start and stop therapy, edit therapy program settings, and adjust other features of the MONARCH system. The pendant is located in the pendant dock on the front of the garment. Slide the pendant up and away from the garment, removing it from the pendant dock. To power on the MONARCH system, press and hold the power button for up to 5 seconds. You will see the startup screen when the system is powering on. The startup screen will show you the hour meter reading or total hours the device has been used, as well as the software version. You may also hear or feel the garment performing a self-calibration. The MONARCH device comes with default settings for Therapy 1 and Therapy 2 programs. We will now review how you can set your prescribed settings. From the home screen, navigate down to select Menu and press the Center button to confirm. Select Therapy Settings. Press the Center button to confirm. Select Edit Therapy 1 or Edit Therapy 2 to change a pre-programmed therapy. Press the Center button to confirm. By default, Cough Interval is selected. Press the Center button to edit the cough interval. Press the up or down navigation buttons to increase or decrease the frequency of the cough interval. Press the Center button to confirm the cough interval frequency. Press the down navigation button to select cough duration. Press the Center button to edit the cough duration. Press the up or down navigation button to increase or decrease the pause of the cough duration time. Press the Center button to confirm the cough duration time. The therapy steps are labeled on the top of the screen by showing the current steps out of the total amount of steps. For example, 1 out of 8 means it is the first step out of a total of 8 steps. The maximum number of steps allowed is 8. Each therapy step can have a different frequency, intensity, and duration setting. To edit a therapy step, use the navigation button to select the therapy step to edit and press the Center button. Press the Center button to edit the frequency. Press the up or down navigation button to select the prescribed frequency. Press the right navigation button to edit the intensity. Press the up or down navigation button to select the prescribed intensity. Press the right navigation button to edit the therapy duration. Press the up or down navigation button to select the prescribed therapy duration. Press the Center button to confirm the step settings. Press the down navigation button to select the next step or add a new step. Repeat until all steps are programmed as prescribed by the physician. To eliminate a step and all the steps that follow, set the duration to 0. Press the Center or Back button to go back a menu and you will be prompted to save your settings. Select Yes or No to save the changes made to the therapy settings. Press the back button to go back to the previous screen. For complete instructions, see the MONARCH System User Manual. To make manual mode setting adjustments, from the home screen, select Manual Mode. Press the center button to confirm selection. Frequency will be selected by default. Press the up or down navigation button to select the prescribed frequency value. Press the right navigation button to select intensity, then press the up or down navigation button to select the prescribed intensity value. Press the right navigation button to select duration, then press the up or down navigation button to select the prescribed duration. Press the center button to confirm therapy settings. Press the back button to return to the previous menu screen. For complete instructions, safeguards, warnings, and precautions, see the MONARCH System User Manual. Before you begin, if your physician has prescribed aerosol therapy to be used during the treatment, set up the appropriate equipment at this time. Note that in order to start therapy, the battery must be charged at least 20%. Slide the pendant up and away from the garment, removing it from the pendant dock. To power on the system, press and hold the power button for up to 5 seconds. If using a pre-programmed therapy for a therapy session, press the up or down navigation buttons to select Therapy 1 or Therapy 2. Then press the center button to confirm your selection. To start the therapy, select Start and press the center button to confirm your selection. Therapy 1 and Therapy 2 are quick start sessions and go through the pre-programmed therapy settings. Note: you can adjust therapy settings while a treatment session is in progress, but the changes will not save to the pre-programmed therapy. To pause the therapy, select Pause and press the center button to confirm, or press the Pause Resume Control button on the garment. To resume the therapy, select Resume and press the center button to confirm, or press the Pause Resume button on the garment. The screen will display a message when the therapy session is complete. Press the center button to go back to the main screen. Place the pendant in the pendant dock when it is not in use. These steps can also be completed by using the MONARCH System mobile app. If using the manual mode to run a therapy session, press the up navigation button to select Manual Mode. Press the center button to confirm manual selection. You can run the manual settings that were previously programmed by pressing the center button to confirm. The settings can be adjusted while the therapy session is in progress. To pause the therapy, select Pause and then press the center button to confirm, or press the Pause Resume Control button on the garment. To resume the therapy, select Resume and press the center button to confirm, or press the Pause Resume button on the garment. Note: the system will dim the screen after 3 minutes of no active therapy or inputs. The system will completely shut down after 10 minutes. The screen will display a message when the therapy session is complete. Press and hold the power button to turn off the system power. Place the pendant in the pendant dock after device use. For complete instructions, safeguards, warnings, and precautions, see the MONARCH System User Manual. Device features: Isolate pods operation. You have the option to select which of the 8 pods to operate if you want to turn off a particular pod or pods, or as prescribed by the physician. Use the down navigation button to select Menu. Press the center button to confirm selection and view the menu options. Select the Therapy Settings menu and view the Therapy Settings options. Select the Isolate Pods menu. Press the center button to view the Isolate Pods screen. Use the navigation buttons to select different pods. A colored circle around the pod shows which pod is selected. Select the pod that is to be turned on or off. White indicates that the pod will be active. Gray indicates that the pod is inactive. Press the center button to turn the pod on or off. Press the back button to exit to the previous screen. The system will not allow all pods to be inactive. At least one pod must be active for the MONARCH system to deliver therapy. You have the option to change the color theme on the pendant. Use the down navigation button to select Menu on the pendant home screen. Press the center button to confirm selection and view the menu options. Select the Device Settings menu. Press the center button to view the Device Settings screen. Select the Color Themes menu and press the center button to view the color options. Use the down navigation button to select the desired color and press the center button to confirm. Press the back button to exit to the previous screen. Other settings and information are available to view in the menu options. For additional instructions, see the MONARCH System User Manual. Cleaning the device. The MONARCH system does not require any routine maintenance. If general cleaning of the garment is needed, first ensure the device is unplugged from the power source and remove the battery. Failure to do so could cause personal injury or equipment damage. To clean the garment, use a recommended cleaning solution and warm water. See the MONARCH System User Manual for a list of compatible cleaning solutions. Dilute the cleaning solution as specified on the manufacturer's label. If the vest shell pieces have a spot or stain, it is recommended to either hand wash or machine wash them. Wipe the garment clean with the cleaning solution. If needed, the shoulder strap pads, backpack cover, and pod covers can also be wiped clean. Avoid using excessive moisture or harsh cleansers. And do not put the MONARCH garment in water or any solution. To prepare to wash the vest shell, first remove the shell pieces from the device. Next, secure the straps to each other to limit snagging during the washing process. To loosen heavy dried-on soil, you may first need to saturate the spot. The vest shell can be hand-washed or machine-washed in cold water using standard laundry cleanser or non-chlorine bleach. After washing, the vest shell can be line-dried or tumble-dried on the lowest temperature setting. Visually inspect the product after each cleaning cycle for wear, tear, or deformity. If you have any concern about a component, do not use it, but first consult the MONARCH System User Manual for guidance or contact customer service. If any part of the device is wet or damp, do not plug the device into a power source or operate it using the battery. Do not iron any parts on the device. Storage and handling. To store the device, place it in the carry case. If transporting the device and you need to remove the battery, place the device on a flat surface with the front facing down. Lift the battery access panel. Slide and hold the latch down to unlock the battery. Pull on the top of the battery while the latch is unlocked. Remove the bottom of the battery from the device. Place the garment in the carry case. Place the adapter, power cord, and other accessories into the compartments above the garment in the carry case. Close the carry case to secure it for storage and transport. The MONARCH system is portable and easy to store using the carry case. The carry case features a telescoping handle to transport it as a roller bag or straps to carry it as a backpack. For complete instructions, safeguards, warnings, and precautions, see the MONARCH System User Manual. Only authorized representatives should service the MONARCH Airway Clearance System. One way to find contact information is to use the pendant. From the home screen, use the down navigation button to select Menu. Press the center button to view the menu options. Select the Device Information menu. Press the center button to view the menu options. Select the Support menu and press the center button to view the support information. The support screen will show a phone number to contact customer service. Press the back button to exit to the previous screen. If calling for service, you will need to give the representative the serial number of your device. You can find the serial number on the pendant. From the home screen, use the navigation button to select Menu. Use the down navigation button to select Device Information. Select General. Press the center button to view the General option. Use the down navigation button to select System Information. Press the center button to view the serial number and the total therapy time. If needed, you can also find the serial number on the product identification label underneath the backpack cover. You may contact customer service with any questions about your MONARCH Airway Clearance System. Occasionally, a representative may call you to ask about the total therapy time the device has been used. This information may be provided to your insurance company and your healthcare team. Your doctor may use this information to assess or revise your treatment program. The total therapy time will appear on the pendant screen when your MONARCH device is first powered on. To find the total therapy time from the home screen, use the navigation button to select Menu. Select Device Information and press the center button to view the device information options. Select General and press the center button to view the general options. Select System Information and press the center button to view the serial number and total therapy time. Press the back button to exit to the previous screen. The Health Portal feature. You may have ordered your MONARCH system with the capability to securely transmit therapy session data to the Health Portal, providing accurate and timely feedback between patients and their healthcare teams. When your team has accurate data about your treatment sessions, they're better able to understand your therapy protocol, adjust settings to your needs, and help you make informed decisions about your care plan. For more information, visit our website. The MONARCH Airway Clearance System is designed to provide clearance of secretions in the lungs. It is indicated for patients having difficulty with secretion clearance or the presence of atelectasis caused by mucus plugging. It is intended to be used by patients 15 years and older. The MONARCH system is a mobile airway clearance therapy when you are in your home or on the go. We hope you found the information provided valuable. To learn more about the MONARCH Airway Clearance System, we recommend that you visit our website. Refer to the MONARCH System User Manual or contact a representative.